Hey folks, Pilot Pete here, coming to you from Las Vegas, Nevada with more cool stuff found. Today I want to tell you about a cool piece of gear that'll get your home just a little bit smarter in just a few seconds. Literally, just a few seconds. This is the Lotus Ring, available at getlotus.com. It involves a ring that you put on your finger and then a switch cover that you can put over a light switch. Right now available only for rocker switches. The toggle switch will be available later this year. Then you simply point your ring at the light switch and press the button, and voila, it's already working. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no difficult setup, no wires, no screwdrivers, no nothing. You simply attach the magnetic plate cover to the top of your light switch and it is installed. That's it. You're done. It magnetically holds on there, and then when you press the infrared activated switch, it moves it up and down. Your basic kit comes with a ring, a base charging station for that ring, which needs to be recharged about once every 6 months, and 3 of the light switch covers. And as I said, the rocker switches for now, toggle switches later. It will also work with fans, air conditioners, all manner of things that you need to power on and power off remotely. So I want to say thank you to our sponsors who help us bring these cool things to you. We've got Omni Group, PIA VPN, CCC Backup by Bombic, Roborock, and Eero. Thank you to all of you. You rock. We couldn't have done this without your support, and we're deeply grateful. And to the rest of you watching this, make sure you stay subscribed so you get more cool stuff found just like this. And as always, stay subscribed. Most importantly, though, don't get caught.